There is a place that we admire, a special place where people cook, pots and pans upon the fire, recipes inside a book, morning coffee, tea at night, family talking by the light. Every kitchen has its smell and a story it can tell. Cuisine is not a place or a room. It can cross the world, it can bloom. Spicy Thai soup and French croissant can be found in one restaurant. Japanese cuisine with rice, Indian food with herbs and spice. People cook in their own ways. Cuisine can change from place to place. Kitchen for the room we know, cuisine for foods from long ago. Kitchen where the cooking starts, cuisine comes from people's hearts. People may be poorer or richer, but you know what I mean. Their homes still have a kitchen, and nations still have their